Hey, I'm coming back with you for a new video. Recently I've did a video, but I'm gonna go with the horizontal view. So this video is basically an unboxing for the Jordan Swift Jumpman 23s. They're black and white leather basketball shoes with rubber soles. It's got Nike Air technology in the forefoot and heel, and it delivers a responsive cushioning. Leather, synthetic, and textile upper provides durable, long-lasting wear, and the zip closure gives us secure and a snug fit. Basically, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see them. Pull them out. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Nice leather exterior. Really sweet with a Jumpman gold symbol on the sides. Jumpman on the back. Really dope. Get the earrings to match. You can get the 23 chain to match with the 23 if you can. Really dope shoe, really nice. I definitely recommend it for basketball. Keeps a snug foot. They got the zipper here, so you can zip it all the way up, so it's really snug on your foot on both sides. So definitely recommend this shoe. I recommend it to anybody that plays ball, and I'm a street baller. So please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time on the next unboxing video. Brandon Lee is out.